Hey everyone, welcome to our exciting exploration of the BingX Referral Code. If you're looking to maximize your cryptocurrency trading experience, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll discuss how using the referral code CHUCHU can unlock amazing benefits for you and your friends. First off, what is a BingX Referral Code? It's a unique code that allows you to invite others to join the BingX platform. When someone signs up using your code, both of you can earn rewards. This is a fantastic way to grow your network and earn extra income while helping others dive into the world of crypto trading. By using the referral code CHUCHU, new users can enjoy generous bonuses upon signing up. This includes potential trading fee discounts and welcome bonuses that can significantly enhance your trading experience. Imagine starting your trading journey with a boost. It's like having a head start in a race. Here's how you can get started. 1. Sign up. Visit the BingX website or app and click on Sign Up. Fill in your details and make sure to enter the referral code CHUCHU during registration. 2. Verify your account. After signing up, check your email for a verification link. Click it to activate your account. 3. Explore the referral program. Once logged in, navigate to the referral section in your account. Here, you'll find your unique referral link to share with friends. Now, let's talk about the rewards. For every friend who signs up using your code, you earn a commission based on their trading fees. The more friends you refer, the more you earn. It's a win-win situation. Remember, sharing is caring. Spread the word about BingX and your referral code, CHUCHU, through social media or messaging apps. The more people you invite, the more rewards you can accumulate. In conclusion, using the BingX referral code CHUCHU not only benefits you, but also helps others embark on their crypto trading journey with exciting bonuses. So why wait? Start sharing today and watch your rewards grow. Happy trading!